In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Apollo.io for free. Getting set up on this platform is straightforward and quick, and by the end of our session, you'll be all set to start utilizing its features. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your web browser, which you likely already have on your computer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other web browser you prefer. The choice is yours, as any should work perfectly fine for the task at hand. Once your browser is up and running, the next step is to type apollo.io into your search engine. You can find it by entering the name directly into the search bar. Apollo.io is a robust platform designed to assist you with sales engagement and lead generation, so getting acquainted with it can be a significant step towards enhancing your outreach. After searching for Apollo.io, you should see an option to visit their official website. Go ahead and click on that link. Once the homepage loads, look for an option that says something like, Sign up for free. This option is typically easy to locate, often prominent on the homepage to encourage new users to register. When you initiate the sign-up process, you'll have the choice to register using your email or through Single Sign-On, also known as SSO. This is a user-friendly feature that allows you to sign up through services you might already be using, like Google or Microsoft. Choose whichever method suits you best. If you decide to use an email, simply provide your email address when prompted, and the system will guide you through the remaining steps. If you opt for an SSO service, follow the prompts and complete the verification process as directed by your chosen provider. Once you've successfully completed the sign-up process, you'll be taken through an onboarding experience. This process is designed to familiarize you with Apollo.io, ensuring you get the most out of its capabilities. It's important to follow through the steps provided, as they'll set the groundwork for your activities on the platform. After you've gone through onboarding, you'll find yourself on your personalized Apollo.io dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Take your time to explore everything on offer, from contact searching capabilities to email tracking and more. The dashboard is intuitive and designed to streamline your sales engagement efforts. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Apollo.io to its full potential. Feel free to navigate through different sections of the platform to better understand all the tools available to you. You've just taken a great step forward in optimizing your sales and outreach processes, all without spending a dime. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Enjoy your journey with Apollo.io.